Welcome to the future of innovation with AI-powered virtual assistant services. First, craft your vision. Define your strategic vision, setting your virtual assistant services apart. Second, master market insights. Achieve market research mastery, innovating with a deep understanding of your landscape. Third, target growth smartly. Identify niche opportunities for focused growth in unexplored markets. Fourth, establish legitimacy. Build a solid foundation, enhancing credibility and legal legitimacy for your venture. Fifth, power of collaboration. Assemble a stellar team fostering collaboration for robust virtual assistant solutions. Sixth, user-centric refinement. Fine-tune your prototypes based on user feedback, ensuring real-world effectiveness. Seventh, safeguard innovations. Secure intellectual property, gaining a competitive edge and protecting your assets. Eighth, scalable growth infrastructure. Build a scalable infrastructure for seamless adaptation to expanding markets. Ninth, industry influence. Establish strategic partnerships with tech industry leaders for credibility and insights. 10th, cybersecurity assurance. Develop a robust cybersecurity strategy, instilling trust and ensuring data protection compliance. Elevate your AI business with AI-powered virtual assistant services, shaping a future of innovation.